Have you ever wondered how much time, effort, and costs you could save in construction claims management if the drafting process was streamlined and error-free? Welcome to the future of construction claims management. This is Claimmster.ai, your intelligent partner in navigating construction claims with ease and precision. In this video, we'll show you how to open your account and use the powerful features. Here's how to get started. Head over to the Claimmster.ai, then click on Sign Up. Fill in your personal information, then click on Continue. A confirmation email has been sent to your email address. Now that you've created your account, log in to access your dashboard. Let's dive into how Claimmster.ai can transform your claims process, saving time and reducing disputes. On the side menu, click on Templates. Begin with our customizable templates. Whether it's a delay claim or a cost overrun, we have a template ready for you. Watch how quickly you can select and tailor a template to your needs. Choose a template that fits your claim's nature and customize it as per your project details and context. Click here to copy to clipboard. The draft is automatically saved in History folder. With just a few clicks, your claim document is ready for the next step. Our AI assistant is your guide through the complexities of claims. This feature is only available for the standard and premium user. Need a risk assessment or sensitivity analysis? Let's see how the AI assistant provides valuable insights in real time. Input your claim details and let the AI assistant provide you with comprehensive insights and suggestions. Notice the depth of analysis and practical recommendations. That's Claimmster.ai at work. Now let's refine your claim with our content rewriter and smart editor. Observe how we enhance clarity and precision, ensuring your claim is not just strong, but also clear and professional. Select the tone and use its suggestions to enhance the quality of your draft. Paste your copied content into the rewriter. Click Start Rewriting. The generated content will appear below the original content. The AI will return the most appropriate and optimal content. The Smart Editor provides real-time editing suggestions, helping correct errors and improve the language of your claim documents. Select the language tone of voice. Choose your template. This step is not required if you're pasting from a document in your history. Select creativity level. Choose the number of results. To paste from history, click here. Select your desired content from history. Check the content again if there's anything to change. You can change these settings too, according to your needs like before. Click Generate. See the difference? Your claim is now more compelling and robust. The Smart Editor provides real-time editing suggestions, helping correct errors and improve the language of your claim documents. Click Save to save your draft in the document library, or click Download if you're happy with the content generated. And don't worry about losing your work. With our document library, your claims are safely stored for 30 days. Access your documents anytime within the 30-day storage period for review or further editing. Access your documents anytime, anywhere, without a hitch, and remember to read the user guide to master the features and functionalities of Claimmster.ai. The user guide presents a comprehensive overview of key features and functionalities of Claimmster.ai. Scroll through the guide to find specific information about the tool's features or troubleshooting tips. And finally, leave us feedback to help us always provide you with a better and faster experience. Fill out the form with your feedback, suggestions, or issues encountered to help us understand your experience and improve our services. Claimmster.ai is more than just a tool, it's your strategic ally in the world of construction claims. Ready to take your claims process to the next level? Visit our social media platforms and join the Claimmster.ai community today. Revolutionize your claim management with Claimmster.ai.